Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the FX quality in Elden Ring Nightreign. So start by moving to the system here, then select graphics, where you can see the screen icon on it. Click on the advanced settings and move to FX quality. Here I'm gonna choose the maximum available option, which is maximum obviously. I like to see the best quality of FX, it improves the gaming experience, so I prefer to use it and I recommend it to you. That would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!